This big bruiser, this little dude over here, is an American crocodile. He's a juvenile American crocodile. American crocodiles are the few species of crocodile, are the only species of crocodile that live in the United States. And they are, well, they're mostly saltwater species, and they feast on things like birds, mammals, and when they're babies. They feast on things like mayflies, beetles, and dragonflies. But when they get older, they'll hunt things like water birds, fish, and mammals. They're mostly fish hunters, and these guys can get up to. And crocodiles like this big dude over here, have lived on Earth since the time of the dinosaurs. And are in the crocodilian family.